All right, y'all. Classic Kev back with another episode, and y'all, it's the weekend, so I don't think we're gonna go over too much news today, y'all. It's the weekend. I know, like me and some of you, the past week probably wasn't too good to your portfolio, was it? It burned. It hurt your soul, right? Seeing those big dips. They're testing you. They're seeing what you're made of. Because what the average investor does is, y'all, they buy at the top when it's green, they sell at the bottom when it's red. There's a reason they make those charts, those, in red and green, right? It does something to your brain. It's all in your head, though, y'all. Let me tell you something my dad told me a long time ago. You only lose money if you sell. But on the flip side, you only profit when you sell. So something to think about, y'all. But let me tell you something I do, y'all, because trust me, y'all, the dips, the red days, the FUD, it hurts my soul too, y'all. This is not fun for me. When crypto's doing bad or stocks are doing bad, it's not fun. But let me tell you what I'm gonna do, because it's about what I'm gonna go do today, y'all. Man, go outside. Go ride your bike at the park. Go, sometimes you gotta just disconnect from this digital world, this primitive metaverse, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes you gotta turn the phone off, leave the phone at the house, get on your bike, no phone, just you, and just go ride and just think, And I noticed that when I calm down and I do stuff like that, I usually make my best decisions. You're usually gonna make your best decisions when you're in a calm, cool, and collected state. But let's talk about what's coming next, right? Because as I've stated on this channel, y'all, I don't plan on being as invested. I plan on being like 70 to 80% out of crypto, out of this market by year end. Now we'll get back in the bear market and buy stuff at rock bottom prices. We'll talk about that later, but I want to talk about to you what you need to be thinking about right now as far as, the profits you're going to make. And, you should always be thinking about the next step. It's like playing chess. You should always be, 3-4 steps ahead, right? So I want you to look at your portfolio today. And I want you to kind of envision, the number you want to get to. So let's say the number is $20,000, right? Say you got, 10,000 in and you're like, you know what? I just want to double this to $20,000, right? Consult the CPA, figure out your tax situation. But I want you to realize that markets have cycles. Now, whether that be real estate, whether that be stocks, crypto, they all have cycles. So, it's kind of like if you're into fishing and hunting. You got a hunting season, you got different seasons, where you hunt different things. And when it's not hunting season, you go fishing, something like that. So I want you to start thinking that, hey, real estate market's doing good, doing great right now. It won't always be. There'll be some type of dip. And maybe that's your opportunity if you don't own any real estate to diversify. Get into real estate, trust me, that's probably one of the smartest things you can do. If you can make a big bag off of crypto and you could take those profits and roll them into a rental property, a cash flowing rental property, that's genius, y'all. That's how you create generational wealth. That is how you get ahead of the game. And, or stocks. Let's say maybe you make that 20 grand in crypto. Boy, that was a risk. It was risky, huh? Everybody told you not to do it. You see the volatility, but then you say, you know what? I'm putting all the, not investment advice, I'm putting all the profits into AT&T stock that pays a healthy dividend. Or I'm going to put it in blue chip tech stocks, Microsoft, Apple, Google, even Amazon. And maybe you're not the biggest fan of those companies, but find a company, a blue chip company that you feel solid in and find it, buy the dip. Maybe you like Tesla. Tesla's getting hammered. Throw that money in Tesla. So, the number one thing I like to think about, and I shout out to my boy James at Invest Answers, because he really ironed this in my head, was that the number one goal is to protect the wealth you have. And the number two goal is to create wealth, right? So we want to de-risk in every way. So you want to take money from risky, and guys, I know I'm in a lot of risky stuff, right? I know I'm not exactly practicing what I preach, but guys, I own real estate. I'm not trying to brag, y'all. I'm just trying to motivate you. I have over $1 million portfolio in real estate. I have businesses that provide me income. I have skills to do different jobs, right? So that's why I deploy all the money I have. I like to put in assets that appreciate. And I have a long-term mindset. You know, of course, guys, we all want to make that bet. We all want that 10x quick, but you know, you gotta really just get it how you live. You gotta really just get the opportunities when they're in front of your face. And again, y'all, I'm gonna challenge you to do this today. I want you to look at your portfolio. I want you to every coin you're in, and I want you to go look at the 1-year chart on that coin and see how far that coin really has come before you get discouraged. Anyway, y'all, it's Saturday. It's a beautiful day. Hope y'all enjoy today. I'm Classic Kev, and I'm out. Peace.